Hello everyone, on behalf of our team, I welcome you for the course of Computer Networking. Let me introduce you to this open resource where you will learn a lot on networking. The course is designed for beginners and is a good start for those who want to learn basic networking fundamentals. Typically, you will learn about the many different types of networking concepts, network architecture, network communication, and designing of a network. This course will provide you step-by-step learning from the basics of computer networking, its component protocols, to practicing with leading-edge technologies. You will gain practical skills in IP address configuration of a workstation, identifying and calculating appropriate subnet mask, examining and manipulating ARP, and domain name service cache on a workstation. We'll also use how to use a ping command to verify connectivity, basic wireless router configuration, and the simple use of a protocol analyzer to examine local area network communication. With a strong foundation and an understanding of the basic network functions, standards, and protocols, you will be prepared to tackle advanced networking skills including TCP/IP security, wireless integration, and VoIP, voice over IP. Now, this course is designed for those who want to have a basic learning of the structured layer approach to networking, including the fundamentals of network hardware and the components, the network protocols, IP addressing and subnetting, and on various tools that are used in network for monitoring and troubleshooting of the network. So ideal candidates are, although all the entry level and newly hired technical professional, including PC support, help desk, and networking professionals, technical professionals, those who are looking forward to strengthen their course skill before pursuing advanced topic and certification, and all the students who have interest in this networking field. The course is divided into two parts, the theoretical part and the lab sessions. So the course content of the theory sections are, section 1 is on networking basics. So in this section, we will learn about the different networks, the type of networks, the components that are used often in network, and the advantages of the network. Then we will go to protocol layering and we will study the two main models, the OSI model and the TCP/IP protocol tool, and we'll compare the two primary reference models. We will learn the basic media, the basic communication media, guided and unguided, for wired and wireless communication respectively, the different types and the cables that are used in networking, and the devices that are used in different layers of the network. We will then learn some basic network commands that we can use for accessing the network. Section 2 includes the protocols and the packet formats. So as we know that OSI or TCP model have different layers, the data link layer, network layer, and transport layer. So in every layer, what format the packet takes, we'll learn over here. So we'll study about a TCP packet, a UDP packet, a IP packet, ARP, RPRP, IGMP, and ICMP packet. Then in section 3, we'll learn about addressing in networking. So we will learn data link layer addressing, network layer addressing, classful and classless addressing, subnetting and supernetting concepts, and transport layer addressing. Section 4 deals with basic switching techniques on circuit, message, and packet switching. And last section is on cryptography, where we'll deal with the basics of cryptography and its algorithm and applications in various fields. The next content is on the lab sessions that we'll be taking. So we have video lectures over here. You can refer to them for learning of the following sections. Section 1 is on cable crimping. We will learn here how to crimp a CAT cable and straight and crossover connections, creating network with the crimp cable that we have designed, then sharing resource in the network that we have designed. Section 2, we'll learn a basic network monitoring tool, and we'll use our open source software Wireshark for real-time network monitoring and decoding of the packets that we have captured. Section 3 deals with different server installation. So we will learn to install and configure FTP server, a web server, telnet server, a proxy server, and a DHCP server. Section 4 deals with router configuration, and here we'll also learn a tool for packet tracing. So we'll introduce you to a Cisco Packet Tracer tool, and we'll tell you how to configure a router in a simulator, and after that we'll configure a actual hardware, a Linksys router configuration. Last section is on C codes. We'll deal here and learn here certain C codes on encryption and decryption algorithms, and we'll also implement a shortest path algorithm by using C coding. Now, how to access this course? You have to first type networkinghub. You have to refer to the site networkinghubblock.wordpress.com. You will be directed to the Networking Hub site. Over there you have different tabs. You have to go to course and enrollment tab, and you have to follow the steps given in this site in this tab. After following the step, you will be directed by a link to the Moodle site, and over there you have to access the course Networking Fundamental. Now you can have the access to the course either as a guest, or if you want to enroll as a student and access all the contents and the quizzes that are given, you have to access as a student over there. So password and ID for both the methods are provided in the website on WordPress. So thank you, and looking forward for your joining. Thank you.